Jesus heals a lame man at the pool of Bethesda. Welcome to the Blessing Voices, where we explore the powerful miracles in the Bible. Today, we will look at Jesus heals a lame man at the pool of Bethesda, found in John chapter 5 verses 1 to 15. This story reveals Jesus' power to heal and his desire for us to walk in faith. Near the sheep gate in Jerusalem, there was a pool called Bethesda, where many sick, blind, and disabled people gathered. Among them was a man who had been lame for 38 years. When Jesus saw him, he knew he had been in this condition for a long time and asked, "Do you want to be healed?" The man replied, "Sir, I have no one to help me into the pool when the water is stirred. While I am trying to get in, someone else goes ahead of me." Then Jesus said, "Get up, pick up your mat and walk." Immediately, he was healed. He picked up his mat and walked. But because this happened on the Sabbath, the Jewish leaders said, "It is the Sabbath. The law forbids you to carry your mat." The man answered, "The one who healed me told me, 'Pick up your mat and walk.'" But he did not know who Jesus was, because Jesus had slipped away into the crowd. Later, Jesus found the man at the temple and said, "See, you are well again. Stop sinning, or something worse may happen to you." The man then went and told the Jewish leaders that Jesus was the one who healed him. The story of Jesus heals a lame man at the pool of Bethesda teaches us important lessons about faith, healing, and obedience. First lesson: Jesus calls us to respond in faith. Open book Hebrews chapter 11 verse 1. Now faith is confidence in what we hope for and assurance about what we do not see. The man had been waiting for healing for 38 years, but when Jesus spoke, he had to act in faith to stand up and walk. Second lesson: healing comes with responsibility. Open book John chapter 5 verse 14. "See, you are well again. Stop sinning, or something worse may happen to you." Jesus told the man to stop sinning, showing that spiritual healing is just as important as physical healing. Here are 3 key takeaways from today's story. First, Jesus knows our struggles and invites us to healing. Second, faith requires action. We must respond to Jesus' call. Third, spiritual healing is just as important as physical healing. Take a moment to think about these questions. 1. Do I trust Jesus enough to respond in faith? 2. Have I received healing but forgotten to follow Jesus afterward? 3. How can I walk in spiritual and physical wholeness every day? In the conclusion, the story of Jesus heals a lame man at the pool of Bethesda teaches us. First lesson: Jesus calls us to respond in faith. Second lesson: healing comes with responsibility. No matter what struggles we face, Jesus sees us, knows our pain, and offers us healing in new life. Just as in Jesus heals a lame man at the pool of Bethesda, we too can experience his power through faith and obedience. If God has worked in your life, share your story and encourage others. Let's trust in Jesus and believe that his power is still at work today. Like and follow the Blessing Voices for more messages of faith.